I'm out here sitting by the pool, and I wanted to share with you guys my Sephora Play box for the month of July. So let's take a look. The theme for this box is the good stuff. Here is the Sephora Play bag. It's just the red letters and the white bag with a red ribbon. So the first thing I pull out is from Drunk Elephant. This is the Protini Polypeptide Cream. This is a protein cream. This is supposed to plump and firm the skin. So the next thing I pull out is this month's bonus, and then this is from Boscia. This is Matcha Magnet. It's an antioxidant hair mask. So next up from Briogeo, we have their Blossom and Bloom Ginseng and Biotin Volumizing Spray. So next up from Tarte, we have the Rainforest of the Sea Deep Dive Makeup Removing Gel Cleanser. This is good to be used as a daily cleanser. Also, it removes waterproof makeup. It's supposed to leave your skin soft and hydrated, and it's good for all skin types. So next up, we have this Tarte lipstick from their Rainforest of the Sea collection. This is in Salt Life. It's a beautiful rosy nude color, and this is actually a really nice size sample. So next up, another Tarte product. This is the Tarte Blush in the shade Party. It's supposed to last up to 12 hours. So here are some swatches. They are both really pretty. So that's about it. Like, subscribe, and comment. It means the world. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.